Hey, how's it going? This is Roy from Rate My Funeral. That was Rate, by the way. So welcome along. This is a kind of revisit. It's basically me trying something that I did before again. It's a 3D printing project. Now you may have seen my video where I 3D printed a gun. Okay, so there we go. We've put it together. And of course, it's just a prop, it's just a toy, but it's what drew me to it was the engineering that went into building this thing. It's really, really nice. Yeah, and I kind of didn't do it much justice. It doesn't work. So obviously, I really, really must point out that it's not a case that the model doesn't work. It was a case that I didn't do it properly. And also, this was on my older printer. So now I have my new beastie printer. I'm going to go ahead and have another go and print all the parts again, paying a little bit more attention to what I'm doing this time, and I'm going to put it together correctly. I'm pretty sure I will. I haven't actually done it yet. This isn't one where I'm doing the address to the camera after I've done the project. This is before, so it might still all go wrong. But no, that's not going to happen. So we're going to have some fun. Whatever happens, it will work, I'm sure, by the time we're finished. So let's get printing. Last time round, when I got to the bullets, I'm going to call them bullets. But anyway, whatever. Last time round I used yellow because that's what I had. However, now I have some rather lovely silk gold filament. So I'm going to print them in that. Well, there we go. I have to say, this stuff's come out pretty well. Let me stick it on my turntable so we can take a good look at each piece in detail. So now I've just got all these bits. Let's go ahead and see if I can get it together properly this time. I am actually about to do this right now. Where's my drill? Now, in all fairness, a clacker is not really the best thing for doing this because obviously you're supposed to be a little bit delicate. But short of just using a screwdriver, which would be boring, this is all I have to hand. I'll just have to be careful. Boom! Look! That's my thumbnail sorted. Guess what? Oh yeah! She works! And we can get the old Whizzaroony out. And you can see my gold. Oh, how well has that worked? It just looks so great. And it looks cool coming through there. And now's the time when you can all go on about how I should put an orange thing just in case of police and stuff, but it's alright, we're in the UK. This is a prop, it's just going to sit on the mantelpiece, it's absolutely fine. But it works! That's the point, it does work. Well done, Mr. Tobias Steiner, if I remembered your name correctly, I really hope I did. This is an amazing 3D print. To build all of this out of gooey plastic and end up with something that's quite as cool as this, my 10-year-old self would have loved to have this, and in all fairness, my current age self is quite happy to have this. This has come out so well. I'm really happy I revisited it. Prints came out a lot better this time. I put a little bit more effort into it. Yeah, so I just got like a few little problems with the printing, but so I just did a couple of the pieces more than once. But overall, yeah, like I say, this has come out really well. And compared to the last time, it is so much better. Basically, the biggest problem that I did last time was on this hammer. I printed the version with a brim and I didn't remove the brim because I didn't realize it was there. That was my fault. This time I printed the normal version, it worked perfectly and it's all clipped together. Also, the tolerances from this printer just seem to have worked better. Everything kind of slotted together a lot easier. The last time I was hammering things and I was sanding things to try and get things to fit. This time, it all just fell in together and it's all sitting quite nicely. If you have a printer, I strongly recommend give this thing a try. Look on the instructions on the website because he's put a ton of details in the instructions. Make sure you follow them and you'll end up with a pretty cool little toy when you're done. Cool, alright, well I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please slam that like button. Can't believe I just did that. No, to be fair, I appreciate it. If you do give me some feedback, I know this isn't one of my normal style Cinema 4D tutorials. This was me doing something different, but that's what I like to do every now and then. I like to mix it up a bit. I think there's something wrong with me at the moment. What was I saying? Yeah, oh yeah, bye!